How does what work? Sorry.
So in my ad, like when I'm setting up my ad, I do set up my daily budget as $5, say.
Yep.
Is that an option? Yeah, because I didn't go through all the videos, but I'm thinking that's how you set your ad, right? I can put a daily budget of $5 for this to run this ad.
You can put a daily budget at $1 or $10, whatever you want.
Yes. So, but my question is, each of this keyword
I understand.
bidding
I know
is
what you're
like
asking.
different, right?
I know
So
you're.
how does it work?
So, okay. So what you're asking is if you set your campaign budget to be $5, yet the keywords that are inside that campaign have a minimum bid of, let's say, $4, how is your ad going to be seen? Is that kind of what you're asking?
Yeah, one of the keyword is $4, one of the keyword is 50 cents, and one of the keyword is 10 cents.
Right.
I mean, I was researching through, but I'm trying to put all this in one ad. So how does it work if I put a daily budget of $5 with all these keywords grouped together?
Right. Okay. So first of all, Google have in their terms of service that whatever you set your campaign budget to be, so let's say $5, it has scope to bid twice the amount of that campaign budget on any given day. However, if they said that over a 30-day period of whatever you set your campaign budget to be, that will be 30 times your campaign budget that you set. So say, for example, I know it's really confusing. So you set your budget for $5, right? What Google knows that some days there's fluctuations in search traffic. All right. Some days there's more people searching for an RV park in Houston than other days, you know, when it's a weekend and people and these, you know, RV people don't travel. I don't know. I'm making it up. Right. So if you set your budget for $5 a day for over a monthly period for 30 days, 30 times 5 is 150. You're only going to spend $150. But some days you might spend $10 and some days you might spend $0. So Google has got scope to bid twice the amount of your campaign budget, but you will only spend $150 over a month. 30 times 50, 30 times 5.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, so that's just one thing, all right? As you said, you've put all these keywords in the one ad group of varying bids. One is $4, one is 50 cents, another is 10 cents. So the $4 keyword, chances are, is going to have a lot more volume, hence why it's competitive, right? Hence why it's more expensive, because people want to bid on it, right? So Google has got scope to bid, as I said, twice that amount. So you've only really got 1 or 2 clicks available in your budget to spend for that keyword.
Okay, so somebody clicks with that keyword, then my budget is done for that day.
Pretty much,
right?
that's right. So what I would do if I were you, right, is by all means bid on RV park in Houston, right, and set that budget to be $5, right? But you're only going to get 1 or 2 clicks, and maybe you just find it's just too expensive. It's not worth it. I don't know, but the 50-cent keywords and your 10-cent keywords, I believe, should be tested and should have some airtime. The problem with putting them in the same campaign as the expensive keyword is they're not going to get a chance to be shown because that other keyword is going to take up all the budget. Right?
Oh, makes sense. Okay,
so I would create a separate campaign for those cheaper keywords with their own budget, and then they can possibly be shown